Hello everyone, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, now we are going to start with the exercise 5.4, and again in the exercise 5.4 we need to revise which are the different types of angle. So the first one is an acute angle, second one obtuse angle, third one reflex angle, fourth one is the complete angle. So acute angle, that is less than 90 degree, obtuse angle greater than 90 but it should be less than 180, then reflex angle greater than 180 but less than 360, and the complete angle means a full circle, and a full circle is of 360 degree. So scholars, our next topic is measuring angles. So how you can measure the angle? So as you all know, in the geometry box there is the protector. Now how does the protector looks like? So this is our protector. Now with the help of this protector you can measure any of the given angle. For example, see here you have to measure angle ABC. For that you have to put the protector over here at the center, and this is 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So ABC is of the 40 degree. So in this way you have to measure the angles. Scholars, now let's start question 1 from the exercise 5.4. So the question number 1 is, what is the measure of right angle and straight angle? So as we all know, the measure of right angle is 90 degree. In the similar way, the measure of straight angle, straight line, that is 180 degree. Okay, so this was very easy, and this was question number 1. So scholars, now let's solve question number 2 from the exercise 5.4. All the questions from this exercise are very easy. So now let's see the question number 2. Here we have to say true or false. So read the first part. So the first one is, the measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Yes, that we have discussed earlier, that the acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So the first one is true. Now read the B part. The measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90. Obtuse angle, give me few examples of obtuse angle. Yes, 120 degree, 110 degree, 130 degree. Obtuse angle means what? Greater than 90, less than 180. But here it is saying that it is less than 90 degree. So that is a false. Now read the C part. The measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180. Yes, reflex angle is always greater than 180. For example, 195, 210, 250. So the reflex angle are always greater than 180. So this is a true statement. Now read the D part. The measure of a complete angle is 360. So we have discussed earlier in this video only, the complete angle is 360. So this statement is true. Okay. Now read the last part, that is the E part. Measure angle A is 53. Measure angle B is 35. So measure angle A is greater than measure angle B. Yes. Why? Because 53 greater than 35. So what do you think? Is it a true or false? Yes, it is a true. Okay. So this was question number 2. Again, the very easy question. So scholars, now let's solve question number 3 from the exercise 5.4. And trust me, this is also a very super duper easy question. So write down the measure of first some acute angles, second some obtuse angle, and give at least 2 examples. Okay, so we have to simply give the examples of acute angle. Now what is acute angle? Less than 90 degree. So take any of the values, 60, 75. So all these are the acute angles. Now this was the A part. For the B, obtuse angle, that is greater than 90, less than 180. So take any values, 120 degree, 165 degree. So these are the examples of obtuse angle. That's it. So scholars, now you have understood how to measure the angles. So now let's start with the question number 5 from the exercise 5.4. Now read the question. Which angle has large measure? First estimate and then measure. Okay, so underline this word estimate. So as you all know, estimate means the rough calculation. So let's solve for the figure A. Put the protector at this point. This is the baseline. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So as you can see into the figure here, I have made one protector for you. This is 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. So what you will write? Yes, angle A is of 40 degree. So in the same way, let's solve for the figure B. So here in the figure B, again I have shown one protector for you so that it becomes easy for you to understand. This is your baseline 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and it is bit above 60 and less than 70. So you can take it as 65, 66, 67, 68, whatever you want. That's why they have written this word estimate. That means roughly you can take any values between 65 to 70. Okay, so here I have taken 68. So at the end you will write measure angle B is 68 degree. So our angle A is 40 degree, angle B is 68 degree, and in the question they are asking which angle has the large measure. So 40 or 68, which one is the larger? Yes, very good. Everyone is saying 68. So angle B has larger measure than angle A. So at the end you will write this statement. So scholars, question number 6 is exactly the same to the question number 5. So read the question number 6. From these two angles, which has large measure, estimate and then confirm by measuring them. Okay, so first of all underline this word estimate. That means roughly you have to tell. Okay, so let's measure for the figure 1 for this one. So put the protector over here. This is your baseline. So when you will measure, you will get the answer as 45 degree. Okay, now for the next figure, let's solve. Put your protector over here. This is your baseline. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and this one is around 55. Okay, so estimation has been done. The first angle is 45, second angle is 55. So my dear scholars, can you please tell me which one is the larger? Of course 55 is the larger, hence the angle shown in the second figure, that is this one, is greater. Now question number 7 is kind of puzzles, and my each and every one scholar is expert in the puzzles, right? So read the question number 7. Filling the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. Okay, so let's start with the A part. An angle whose measure is less than right angle. Okay, right angle means what? 90 degree. So whatever the angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Yes, so the answer for the A is acute. Okay, now pause the video, read all the questions and then start the video and verify your answers, that either you are getting the same answers or not. So now let's solve for the B part. A angle whose measure is greater than right angle. So greater than right angle means what? Yes, obtuse angle. Okay, now read the C part. A angle whose measure is sum of the measure of a two right angles. Sum of two right angles. So 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90, 180. And what is the name of 180? That is the straight line. So straight angle. Okay, now read the D part. When the sum of the measure of a two angle is that of right angle, then each one of them is okay. So that means here if you add two angles, let's suppose angle A plus angle B, and the sum of angle A and angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so they are asking each angle should be of what? That should be less than 90 degree. For example, 60, angle A is 60 and angle B is 30. So 60 plus 30, so that should be 90. So 60 and 30 are what? Yes, they both are acute angles. So the answer D is acute angle. So the E part is also very interesting. Read the question and I want everyone to put the star on the D part and the E part. So let's solve the E part. When the sum of a measure of a two angle is that of straight angle, that means angle A plus angle B should be 180 degree. Now read the question, and if one of them is acute, okay, for example angle A plus angle B should be 180 degree. Now they are saying that if one of the angle is an acute angle. Okay, let's suppose acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. So let's take A as 60. So 60 plus B equals to 180. So can you find the measure angle B? B should be 180 minus 60. So B is 120. Okay, so 120 is what? Now my dear scholars, please tell me, 120 is acute, obtuse, right or straight? Of course it is an obtuse angle. So the last part E is obtuse angle. So now scholars, question number 8 from exercise 5.4 is your homework, and I know you can definitely and easily solve it. So scholars, now let's solve question number 9, and question number 9 you can solve in just 10 seconds. So the figure is given to you, that a clock figure is given to you, and you simply have to tell what is the measure angle. So first one you can directly see it is a 90 degree. For the second one, just put your protractor over here. This is your baseline, and when you will calculate you will get the answer as 30 degree. And in the last figure you are having the straight line. So straight line means what? 180 degree. So that's it. This is your answer. For the first figure 90 degree, second figure 30 degree, and the third figure is 180 degree. So the measure of angles of the hand of the clock are 90 degree, 30 degree and 180 degree. So scholars, now let's solve question number 10. Now question number 10 will take only 5 seconds. Yes, seriously, it will take only 5 seconds. So first of all, read the question, investigate. Okay, so here you have to become the James Bond, right? Now read the question. In the given figure, the measure angle is 30 degree. Yes, we can see the 30 degree. Look in the same figure through the magnifying glass. Okay, does the angle becomes larger? Does the size of the angle change? Okay, magnifying glass means what? Yes, whenever you will see anything into the magnifying glass, they will look bigger. So let me zoom this diagram so that it becomes magnified, right? Does this 30 have changed? No, the 30 will not change. So the answer is the measure of an angle will not change by viewing through the magnifying glass. Okay, so it will never change. So scholars, now let's solve question number 11, the last question from this exercise 5.4, and this question is also very easy. You just have to measure all the given angles and you have to write the type. For example, let's solve the A part. AOB. Okay, so where is AOB? AOB. Okay, so put your protractor over here. This is your baseline 0, and when you will calculate with the help of protractor, you will get 40 degree. Now let's see the second part, AOC. So where is AOC? AOC. Okay, so put your protractor over here. This is your baseline, and when you will calculate with the help of protractor, you will get the answer as 125 degree. Now let's solve for BOC. This is BOC. So put your protractor over here. Now this is your baseline, and when you will calculate, you will get the answer as 85 degree. In the similar way for DOC, so put your protractor over here. This is your baseline, and you will get the answer as 95 degree. Now for DOA, so put the protractor over here. This is your baseline, and when you will calculate, you will get the answer as 140 degree. Now baseline means what? Baseline always starts from 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. In the similar way, the D will get stopped at 140 degree. Now for the last part, DOB. So where is DOB? Okay, so DOB is forming a straight line, and straight line is what? Yes, it is of 180 degree. Okay, so now simply you just have to write the types. So let's start with 40, the first one. So 40 degrees, which type of angle? Yes, less than 90, so that is an acute angle. 125 degree, greater than 90 but less than 180, so that is an obtuse angle. 85, chalo, tell me the answer for 85 degree. Yes, it is less than 90 degree, so this is also an acute angle. 95, that is greater than 90, so yes, it is an obtuse. 140 degree, it is also greater than 90, less than 180, so that is also an obtuse angle. And 180, so 180 will be what? It is a straight line, so 180 is a straight angle. Okay, so in this way we have completed exercise 5.4. Do practice all the questions very carefully and note down all the questions into your notebook, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.